Hi, I'm Peter Caswell from Poseidon Pharmaceutical. Today we'd like to give you a quick walk through our Groninger automatic pharma grade filling line. For all the details, visit our website and check the link out below. Show you one or two bits and pieces for the bottle and feed, for example. Arkad's with me, so if there's bits I don't understand, Arkad will. See? This is bottle blower.
The cleaning device.
Onto the main filling unit. We'll have a quick look at the electrical panels. Obviously all very clean.
I'd like to show the additional sorting and feeding stations at the back of the machine as well.
Okay.
It's just to show it's a complete solution. Just briefly.
Just around the back of the machine. And there we go.